Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Do you know what I realized? A spoon rest is totally underrated because I went without one for a while and it was about ready to make me crazy. Have no fear though, I found this awesome utensil rest from Zulay. I didn't know I could upgrade my spoon rest, but this is definitely an upgrade because it doesn't just hold one utensil, it holds up to 4. And I really like this long extended drip pad, and then along the drip pad is a raised edge. So if you have any utensil that's really messy, all of that liquid stays contained on this drip pad and keeps your stovetop or countertop clean. This is made of silicone. It's heat resistant, so you don't have to worry about putting hot utensils on here. It's very easy to clean. So if you're in need of a spoon rest, you will love this one. Don't be like me and wait weeks, or maybe use a paper towel and wad that up and set that on your counter. This works so much better, and I promise I will never take you for granted again. And that's my point of view.